Imagine a world where machines can see, understand, and interpret images and videos, just like us. Welcome to the realm of computer vision, a technology that's revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. From recognizing faces in a crowd, detecting objects on a road, to segmenting images for enhanced analysis, computer vision is the invisible force shaping our digital experiences. And the latest buzz? It's about advanced algorithms that can identify even the subtlest elements in an image or video, enabling machines to see with an accuracy that matches and sometimes even surpasses human capabilities. This isn't just technology, it's a transformative force. It's the why that drives us forward, the goal that makes us push the boundaries of what's possible. So, what's next in this exciting journey? Dive into the world of computer vision with us, explore the advancements, and understand why it's shaping the future. Remember, it's not just about seeing, it's about understanding, interpreting, and making sense of the visual world, and that's what makes computer vision so intriguing. Welcome to the future today.